Henry Lee was Daddy's boy, he worked him on the farm. Sat out on the back porch, watched that evening sun go down. I'd often see him late at night when the moon turned black, head out through the orchard with his banjo on his back. We never did know where he goes or what is he might do, 'cause Henry, he don't say a word and the devil only knew. Henry died one rainy night and all his friends come round. We dug a hole and laid his body gently in the ground. Covered him with grandma's quilt and branches made of pine. Everybody praised the Lord and someone testified. Brother Amos said amen and he took me by the hand, handed me that banjo, and this is what he said. Now take this damned old banjo, child, and you throw it down in that hole. It tortured Henry all his life and it mortified his soul. I said, no preacher, that ain't right, just give it one more song. Let me play it once for Henry now, before his soul is gone. Everybody bowed their heads and softly sang along. A voice come up and took me, said you gots to carry on. I was froze there in my footsteps, I was cold as I could be. A voice said come up from the ground and it sounded like Henry Lee. I didn't wait for no amen, I run out on that song. Threw the banjo on my back like lightning, I was gone. If you go out walking down by the old church tree, that chill you feel, it ain't the wind, it's the ghost of Henry Lee.